animals representing over 280 different species. Personalities are warthogs, a male Chico, and a female indication. And the four big ones, 2 males and 2 females. In the wild, they can weigh up to 240 pounds with their upper tusk, reaching about 9 inches long. The tail backwards to the left, off of the neck of the next enclosure, all water brains, heavily large, the breakfast species of cranes found in Africa. They stand about 6 feet tall, with an average wingspan of 8 feet.
The next one enclosure to our left is our cheetah one. Here we have a male named Steve, and a double cheetah can reach length up to 7 feet long, and weigh up to 130 pounds. Cheetahs are the fastest of all the land animals, reaching top speeds of 70 miles per hour, with an average speed of 40. And I got the cat so close, do not be trapped. There's some great traps in terms cheetahs
No, he really was great.
cannot roar, instead they can mitigate using a series of brother chirps, clicks, purrs, and moans.
He was nice.
He didn't deserve to go. With all the things that happen, if I make friends who just don't want work status,
Right.
he doesn't deserve to go. He got the hours of a chaperone.